Hello and welcome back, Rockstar learners. You are watching English with a Foo. I am here to make your English journey exciting and effective. Today's topic is something interesting, and today's topic is our fourth part of Used to series, right? Because we have already completed 3 series regarding Used to earlier. And this time we are combining both questions type sentences and negative types of sentences together. Have you ever said something like, didn't you used to visit us? Like, क्या तुम हमसे मिलने नहीं आया करते थे? Didn't you used to visit us? क्या तुम झूठ नहीं बोला करते थे? Didn't you used to lie? It means we are asking questions to someone as well as we are saying no, not in the sentences. Clear? मीन्स हम सवाल भी कर रहे हैं और हम इनकार भी कर रहे हैं. लाइक क्या तुम झूठ नहीं बोला करते थे? क्या मीन्स आई एम आस्किंग अ क्वेश्चन, मैं क्वेश्चन पूछ रही हूँ. एंड द नेक्स्ट नहीं, वी आर शोइंग द निगेटिविटी, वी आर शोइंग द नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस, राइट? So you must have sentences, you must have heard the sentences like, didn't you used to visit us? Didn't he used to play cricket? Didn't you used to lie? Didn't we used to go there every year? If yes, then great, because today we are going to learn all the interrogative and negative sentences using used to together. Let us quickly take a small intro regarding what are interrogative and negative sentences. Now if I talk about the interrogative and negative sentences, so these sentences are questions about past habits. They also show a little surprise or disbelief. You are asking, didn't someone used to do something? Means we are asking, didn't the person used to do anything in the past? Means we are confirming an old habit and we are surprised that it changed, and we are politely reminding someone. For example, didn't she used to sing beautifully? Didn't you used to sit here before? Like this. First, let us look at the structure of interrogative and negative sentences together. First, for making the interrogative and negative sentences, we are going to use did, then subject, and then not, used to, verb, and object. And we can convert the sentence in a more interesting and easy way as well. Would you not ask what's the easiest way to speak such kind of sentences? Let me tell you. Like here we are using did and then not is here, right? We can combine both these words like didn't or did not. We cannot say, we would say didn't. Didn't, then subject, then used to, because we have already taken not. For example, क्या तुम जल्दी नहीं उठते थे? Did you not used to wake up early? Or we can say, didn't you used to wake up early? क्या तुम जल्दी नहीं उठते थे? Didn't you used to wake up early? Or did you not used to wake up early? क्या वो स्कूल नहीं जाता था? Did he not used to go to school? Or didn't he used to go to school? क्या वह खाना नहीं बनाती थी? Did she not used to cook food? Or didn't she used to cook food? Are you getting what I want to say? Like, क्या तुम पहले क्रिकेट नहीं खेला करते थे? Didn't you used to play cricket or did you not used to play cricket? क्या वह पहले यहाँ नहीं पढ़ाती थी? Didn't she used to teach here? Didn't she used to teach here? क्या तुम अंग्रेज़ी नहीं बोलते थे? Did you not used to speak English? Or I can say, didn't you used to speak English? Are you getting what I mean to say with the help of interrogative and negative sentences? Yeah, you must be understanding. Like I can ask someone a question. क्या तुम पहले मुंबई में नहीं रहते थे? Did you not used to live in Mumbai? Or I can directly say, didn't you used to live in Mumbai? I hope you are getting okay. In these kind of sentences as well, you must remember one most important thing, that we are going to use used to here as well, okay? Not used to. Used to we have used only in affirmative sentences for just asking about or for just telling about the past habits which we used to have earlier. For example, let me give you two examples and you have to recognize which sentence is wrong and which sentence is correct. First sentence is, didn't he used to play? Didn't he used to play? Or the other one is, didn't he used to play? Now tell me which sentence is correct. Obviously the sentence number second is not correct, because in second sentence we are saying didn't he used to play. We are not going to use used here, right? So the first sentence is correct. Didn't he used to play? Now fill the blank I am giving you. Dash, they used to live here. Dash, they used to live here. Doesn't they used to live here? Didn't they used to live here? Or don't they used to live here? Means I have given you three options: doesn't, didn't and don't. Now it's your time to recognize which word would be suitable for asking a question. Take your time and tell me which option is correct. Obviously option number second, because we are going to use didn't. Okay, didn't together means did not. The short form of did not would be didn't. Now let us look at more examples. The next example is, क्या तुम अपनी सहेली से मिलने नहीं जाती थी? Did you not used to visit your friend? Did you not used to visit your friend? क्या तुम अपनी सहेली से मिलने नहीं जाती थी? Did you not used to visit your friend? क्या वे झूठ नहीं बोलते थे? Did they not used to lie? क्या वे झूठ नहीं बोलते थे? Did they not used to lie? क्या हम झूठ नहीं बोलते थे? Did we not used to lie? Clear? I have just simply changed the subject here. Did we not used to lie? क्या हम झूठ नहीं बोलते थे? Next one is, क्या तुम नहीं पढ़ते थे? Did you not used to study? क्या तुम नहीं पढ़ते थे? Did you not used to study? Now it's your time everyone. Now you have to repeat after me the sentences I will speak. Listen to the sentence carefully. The first sentence is, didn't you used to call me every day? Didn't you used to call me every day? Now it's your time to speak. Next, didn't she used to bring her lunch? Didn't she used to bring her lunch? Now it's your turn. Now the next sentence is, didn't he used to sing loudly? Didn't he used to sing loudly? It's your time to speak now. Now the next sentence is, didn't we used to play together? Didn't we used to play together? Repeat after me. And the last sentence for your speaking challenge is, didn't your mom used to make tea? Didn't your mom used to make tea? Now what you have to do, now you have to create your own sentences. I am giving you blank and you have to make the complete sentence, and you have to fill the verb, any verb of your choice, in the blank to complete the sentence. Let me ask you some sentences. Did you not used to dash? Like, did you not used to play? Did you not used to read? Did you not used to go to market? Like this you can make sentence. Are you getting? The next one is, didn't your father used to dash? Didn't your father used to dash? You have to comment the answers of completing your sentences, of filling up the blanks in the comment sections to me, so that I would be able to check your sentences. Clear? Didn't we used to dash every Sunday? Didn't we used to dash every Sunday? Didn't she used to like that person? Or we can say, didn't she used to like dash? Let me tell you the best way of learning English. Say these sentences in front of the mirror and record your voice practically. Then you will surely see a fluency in your voice. Okay, so these sentences were today for you. Okay, now You have just learned so many interesting parts of English grammar. You have learned about affirmative sentences as well as negative, then interrogative, and then interrogative plus negative sentences with the help of used to. Now I am giving you a homework, and your homework is you have to write 3 interrogative sentences in the comment section using used to, and I will check them personally, okay? If you find this class helpful for you all, so please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to English with Affu, the place where you build your confidence and improve your grammar skills and also your speaking English the most. Now keep learning, keep growing, and if you didn't used to speak English, now it's your time to start speaking English, okay? English is very important for today's generation, and today we cannot survive without English. English is very important. It's an important language for us, and we must know another language with the help of regarding our career. We can focus with the help of the English language. We can get good opportunities. So now it's your time to learn English, to speak English, okay? Keep on learning English, keep on sharing the videos with your friends, and keep on speaking, keep on watching the videos. Now it's time to get off the session. We will meet tomorrow in the next session. Till then, bye everyone and take care of yourselves.